Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Jave Korm, and I love making money online, so if you also want to make a couple of bucks online, just hit the subscribe button below and let's have some fun. Thanks to all subscribers, and if you haven't joined us already, be sure to do so. Today, we are going to be talking about a website that pays by literally doing surveys, watching ads, and so much more. Without much talking, let's go to firefaucet.win and sign up for our new account. And don't forget, I will put link in description below. Click on the register now button and enter your email and password. And don't forget to check the I'm not a robot box. After all of that is done, click on create account. I already created my account, so I'm going to log in. After logging in, your account should look like these. As you can see, I'm already at level 22, and I have 6,877 auto claim points, which I earned by doing simple tasks like watching ads. First of all, let's go to wallet balance so you can see what I have in my account. I have $1.097 already in my account, because I did a survey. You can withdraw your earnings in different ways, either to your direct wallet DW or Faucet Pay FP. As you can see, there are lots of ways by which you can withdraw from any of the cryptocurrencies that you like. You can also receive your earnings through a gift card. Isn't that fun? Without much talking, I would like us to go through some of the few ways by which we can earn. It might not be much for you, but little drop of water makes mighty ocean. So let's jump straight to it. Click on the menu in the top left corner right there. From the list, scroll down. PTC ads, offer walls and claim faucet are the three ways we're going to use to claim our faucet. With the offer walls, they pay a lot, especially time wall. So be sure to check it out if you want to increase your income. Right there, surveys, tasks, and clicks. With time wall, everything earning is doubled when you withdraw it to Fire Faucet, so be patient. With the auto claim points, you can convert it into cash. Yes, you can also use it to auto claim other faucets. Just click on convert and it will take you here, where you can enter the amount to convert and crypto you want to convert to. Click on exchange to make the swap. Boom! Our points have been exchanged. Afterwards, when you reach the minimum withdrawal limit, just click on withdraw and paste your address to withdraw. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. Until next time. Bye.